ministry and partner in a place where has been kind of neglected and left behind in our city. And it is so exciting for me to receive this award here in West Fresno. I hope that this is a number of awards that we will be receiving here in this particular community. One of the things what you guys have done with us has helped us to continue to realize a dream that we can create something here in West Fresno that will be sustainable. One of the problems, or not one of the problems, one of the things that we have run into in the past is that there has been a lot of great efforts that came in West Fresno with lack of funding, and has allowed those efforts to leave, and people in West Fresno have been left being viewed to the rearview mirror. We pray that with this support and support of a lot of other people, that this is going to be one of the cornerstones that we will build, that an organization will be built here in West Fresno. And what you have done is help to support the leadership. This is leadership team. Me and these brothers have got together and decided to make a 20-year commitment here in West Fresno to build something that will last and will be owned by West Fresno. And so what you have done now is help to kind of shore up the leadership team in this process. This is our 7th year, and we're here to stay, and with help like this, and help from this community, and partner with this community, I believe that we can do it and do it with it. So we just want to take time to say thank you again for even considering us, and we promise you we won't let you down. Come back 20 years later and see some of the fruit of the work. So we just thank you for this great support, and we appreciate everything